Hi, this is Dan and welcome to my tool chest. Today we're going to talk about socket storage and various ways to store your sockets. Over the years, most people buy socket rails, and the traditional is these metal ones. Not that good. Really, they're old-fashioned. They're not that good. The newer method is the plastic socket rail. These are a little nicer, but they cost money. They're like 12, or you can buy single pieces. If you buy the sockets, you can buy single pieces of these for about $12, $15. So it adds to the cost of the socket set when you buy the socket set. That's my point. It's not, these socket rails are not free. When you buy the set with the socket rail, it's not free. And Vim came up with these magnetic socket rails. These are the most popular. But they cost money too. These are like $20, $25 each. And then the pegs you can buy separately. They used to sell it with the socket rails, but now they just sell the magnetic rails, and then you buy the pegs separate. And the pegs are like $3 a bag, usually 1/4 inch, 3/8, or 1/2 inch drive. Now, there's another option. You can buy socket sets, like this socket set here. Has a lid and it's got deep sockets, short sockets. You buy a whole set, take the lid off, and then you got socket storage this way. Most guys don't buy it this way. Usually they want it with the rail, but you can do this. If you're missing your 10, nice thing about this, if you're missing your 10 millimeter, at the end of the day you go, I'm missing my 10. Who's got my 10? Where's it at? Also, if you're missing your ratchet, you quickly see, I must have misplaced it. And you see it real quick in your drawer. That was a 3/8 set. That's a GearWrench set. I'll show links in the description below what the sets are. And this is a GearWrench set, a 1/4 inch drive GearWrench set, and with a ratchet, standard metric, short and deep. I used to call it shallow, but I guess they say standard now. When I say standard, I mean standard like SAE. Like fractional, but that's the old way of saying it. Also, GearWrench makes a really cool Torx and hex bit set. Now this set is I sell for about $150. This one I don't take the lid off. The lid comes off by just shoveling it sideways, and you can take the lid. You just push it sideways and it comes off. This set here comes with with e-Torx. With hex, standard and metric both. Most guys don't want standard, just like the socket sets, but it comes with it. It's cheaper to buy it this way than buy all those socket rails, even just metric. You get ratchets and everything. It's got Torx, e-Torx, long Torx, long hex, and it just fits right down in your drawer. By the way, this speaking of drawers, this toolbox I got at Home Depot. It's really cool. I mean, for the price, I have not seen anything like it. GearWrench makes boxes too, but this box is very cheap. Also, SnapOn makes boxes that are really nice too. Of course, Matco, Cornwell, whatever, Mac. But this was a very inexpensive box. It's got a wood top. But for the price of one SnapOn box, how many boxes like this can you buy? And I know the drawers are probably not slide as good, but they work. And anyway, I think that's it for the sockets, socket storage, sockets. And I'll leave the links in the description below. Make sure you leave a positive comment, positive feedback. Like this video, and also subscribe to my videos. In the future, I'll talk about how do you fix a streamlight. You know, your button or the rubber comes off the button, or the LED's out. They can be fixed easy. I'll show you how to do that in future videos. And also, how to fix ratchets. How do you fix a ratchet? There are kits you can buy for Easy Red, GearWrench. You can fix the ratchets. And I'll show you how to do that in future videos too. So make sure you subscribe. And I appreciate you watching. And I will be back. This is Dan with the Tool Chest.